Okay, go.
Okay. Hey, what is up, guys? Eric_Gaming here. We are back with another Roblox video. Today we're playing Silent Assassin. We're gonna have other people to join. So yeah, I'm kind of sick today. Yeah, I can hear you. Alright, I already did my thingy. We here. Just click on my profile and then join. I am on Snapchat with him right now, and like on the face, guys. We're waiting till Press Bites joins the game. I'm dying though. Alright, we're gonna pause a bit till he comes in the server.
Am I in?
Yeah, you're in. Did I see you? Alright, there he is. I want Snapchat with it. Where'd you go? Oh, I want Snapchat with him. Yo,
I can't see it.
I can't see you. I can see you. I mean,
it says not enough players. Welcome to Murder Mysteries.
I think it's loading because it's an intermission for me. Let's vote for a map.
I can't see anything.
Is it still loading?
It says not enough players. I'm clicking play. It's not working.
I guess leave the game and then rejoin. No, it's loading map. It's loading map.
It says voting for map.
Dude, what's wrong with your phone? It keeps on like glitching or something. What if the call works better? Alright, I might just stab you this quickly because... Yeah. Are you in the map yet? You don't see me? I just stabbed you. God, no. I'm gonna call him on phone calls. What the heck? Oh, sorry guys, I think that hurt. He's my friend from school, by the way. Where is he? Yeah, he seems not to answer. I'm gonna hang up on that one. Okay, yeah. And where is that murder? Where is he? Nope. He is not in there. Oh, holy crap! Oh my god. No. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm like dying because I'm coughing too much. I gotta do this. I tried, but you don't answer. You didn't answer. You guys saw me face calling. Whoa. That's too close, buddy. How about headshot? How about that? No? You like a headshot? I'll just give you a headshot. Oh! No, so good. I was like, oof. And then I was like, but I'm dying. I am sick right now. I need to put my life. Baby guy. I shared 2 black screen and then it just loaded in. Dude, I was about to get a headshot. I got a headshot from you. You just like randomly almost shot me. You shot me the first time.
I knew you were the murderer.
I know.
It's so hard playing it without making the thing turn off. But I get into positions.
Well, maybe I could trade you some knives or something. Perks. I'm still recording.
Well, I can play as long as I can on here until it gets to 9 because the internet turns off there.
Whoa,
Yeah.
it's almost to 9.
It's
9, like 2 more hours. I know. For me, it's like 7:19 p.m.
It's 7:19.
I know.
It's really smooth on my phone out here.
Oh yes, I'm murdered. Yeah,
I got sheriff 2 times in a row.
I know. Here comes Johnny. Ah! You see me peeking out through the wall. Here's Johnny.
See me.
Dang it! Oh my god!
No.
Get back here!
What?
I got you.
You hit me and I didn't die.
I know. I hit you the first time. You didn't die. The second time you died.
My screen went black.
Wait, what? Is it still black? Oh yes, my favorite one. Bonus round. When the screen goes like black, it means you like died from the murder or something.
Yeah, it hit me and then it went black and then you had to hit me again.
Wow, that was weird.
Yeah.
Why is my character like this? Can someone explain this? Oh yay, we're in...
Mo TDM Sheriff.
Yeah, we get it. We get to like shoot each other. I'm gonna be hiding. You won't find me.
Okay, then. We'll see about that.
Okay. I'll come to your base. I'll come to your base. Oh my god!
You better run.
I'm coming. You're coming. Ah!
Get away from me.
Here goes. Let's go. Oh, I'm so close to wrecking you. No!
That is funny.
No!
Are we the only ones in here?
It's a VIP server.
Are you on laptop?
Yeah, I'm on laptop.
It's really easy on laptop, huh? Especially when you have a mouse. It's like the easiest thing you can get, huh?
Yeah, I'll have a wireless mouse. I think that's the easiest I can get. I finally got a mouse. Are you going to your grandma's on the weekends and play on the computer? Oh!
Come on, I got murder and sheriff in a row.
Oh my god, I got sheriff. Who's coming?
Oh, that's why.
Alright, I'm gonna count to 10. You better hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
What the?
7,
Wait.
8, 9, 10. Beep! Ah!
Wait.
Oh gosh. Alright, I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That scream.
Dang it! I counted to 10, he just randomly threw it at me.
Why did you turn that? Are we earning money from this?
I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. On VIP servers, that sucks. You can't earn money. But on public servers, you can. But I suck at public servers, kinda. Not really. I don't know. I didn't get on my phone on that, but I
Yeah, we're not
live.
earning money.
Oh, my dad's here. I'm the sheriff.
Are you a murderer?
Yeah, I'm sheriff. Are you the murderer? Alright, I'm gonna count to 10. You better go hiding. 1, 2,
No, just go.
3, 4. Oh, you say you wanna go? Alright, let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Ah! Dude! What's wrong with you? I'm gonna wreck you with the 360. Ah! Shoot! 360! Where am I shooting? 360 no! Don't be camping, cause I'm coming for you. Wait a second. Ah! Oh no, no, crap, it just like, I can shoot you through the wall. No. No! Come out, come out. Here comes Johnny! You're gonna laugh when I go in there. Ah!
Oh no!
He's gonna... Yeah, I don't think they're going through this.
No, you don't. I checked.
I know. Why do I look like this? You can't explain it.
You can't explain it.
I don't know what I'm doing here. I need help.
Did I finish my math?
Oh, whoops.
My math?
Oh,
I finished every single page.
okay. Rip me. I am possibly dead. I think. I don't know.
Dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Elmo's world.
What the heck?
Like you, why are you logging in? I'm not.
You're lagging. You're the laggiest the most.
I'm-
I fell off the map.
Huh?
I fell off the map. It lagged so hard that I fell off the map. What's going
Are
on
you
with
in the
this?
game?
I'm the murderer. Yeah, I'm still in the game. I'm the murderer.
What?
I know, right? I fell off the map. It's weird. It lagged weird. Whew, that was weird. You're lagging again, dude. Never mind.
On my thing, I'm running really smoothly. Like smoother than I am on my laptop.
On my screen, you're pretty lagging. Yeah, you are lagging hard. Yeah, you're still lagging. Yeah, on the video, you might see you lagging hard. Because that's what it looks like on my screen. Alright, finally it's done. Alright, finally. I'm Sheriff.
I'm the murderer.
Here I come. Hello, Martha. How you doing?
Here's Johnny.
Hello, Johnny. How you doing? Can I shoot you real quick?
No, I can't move.
Come on, Johnny. Just behave, alright? I don't need to behave, Johnny, but...
Johnny can eat my food.
What? Bonus round, my favorite one. I love bonus round. It's awesome, but I suck at them. But whatever. Oh my god. Whoa, it's like you're teleporting because it's lagging.
I stopped moving.
Yep, I see it. Okay, now it's...
Murder.
Murder! Here I come! Here comes Johnny!
Here comes Johnny. I'm about to assassinate you.
Oh, no. That's not happening today, buddy. Not happening today. I'm a first person, so I might not see you so easily. Ah! No, it's lagging! It's lagging! No!
Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me! It's lagging!
I saw you lag. Yeah, you like teleported to a ladder.
I know. That's weird. Why is it lagging?
I don't know. Are you recording?
I'm still recording. Maybe it's because of the recording or something, because you're still teleporting and lagging.
What? I play with hacker.
Well, okay, maybe it's almost done recording. So,